Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. I'm going to say it's evening time. It's evening time right here. Welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. This is JJ with you once again. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do, help and support the channel. Tonight we're going to have a little bit of a talk since my phone doesn't seem to want to upload as fast as my PC. I don't know. I got to check in with the mobile company that, sold the phone. So, but anyway, what we're going to be doing is we're going to jump over to the action screen and we're going to go ahead and see what's cooking on Nvidia. But I'm going to tell you, Nvidia did a software update. That's what we're going to be heading towards tonight. And we're at the action screen. So let's go ahead and just click over there to Nvidia. And we'll search for the drivers so that way we'll see what's going on. New driver that's come out was 12/4/2023 and it's 546.29. Okay. And what this is about real quick is that it's a game ready for Cyberpunk 2077 Ultimate Edition and more. This new game ready driver provides the best gaming experience for the latest new games supporting DLSS 3.5 technology, including Cyberpunk 2077 Ultimate Edition and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Further support for new titles leveraging Nvidia DLSS technology, including the launch of Throne and Liberty, which supports DLSS 3, as well as the arrival of Avatar, Frontiers of Pandora, and Fortnite Chapter 5, which supports DLSS Super Resolution. Wow, looks like they got a whole mouthful there. So that seems like is like a pretty good driver update. I'm going to tell you, I do have that already installed into my system, and I'm trying it out as we speak, and I really don't see any problems with it whatsoever, But I will give you a heads up that if I find out that there's anything fishy or anything about this, then what we'll do is we'll revisit this again, and I'm going to let y'all know what I find. But as far as I see right now, and what I'm finding is you find your drinking snacks, by the way. I'm not going to make this a long video. This is actually going to be a short one. And I do apologize about, the uploading from my phone. It's been going for 4 hours solid. And I don't know why. Maybe it's because there's got to be some kind of problem over there and, the Wi-Fi problem or something like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm almost all the way up to the point of it being 100%. So once it hits 100%, then you all will be able to see the video. Okay, my final thoughts about when it comes to the driver update. Well, as far as I can see, there's no crashing, no blue screening, nothing like that. As far as testing games, probably on another video, I'll test the games due to this driver update. Everybody always says this is what everybody always says. They always say, well, when you do a driver update and, you do this and that, it really doesn't show much. Well, if they're updating certain games, like Cyberpunk and Modern Warfare and, the ones upcoming as well. And I was surprised to see Avatar Frontier of Pandora in that little in that little mix. But obviously they're staying on top of these updates, and they're staying on top of the improvements that they need to make playing these games. Now, if you play, because I haven't gotten myself yet, I haven't gotten myself Cyberpunk 2077? Yeah, I haven't gotten that yet, but I plan to in the future, so do be patient with me on that, and we will work towards that. And once I get a hold of that, then what'll happen is we'll test it out. We'll do the soup and nuts A to Z on this RTX 4070 and see what it has to offer. And I'll make sure I take you all along with me for that. But that's in the works for the future, just to let you know that. So, but as far as the phone, what's going to be happening on that, y'all have to stick around and wait on that, and see what's going to happen there. But when it happens, it'll happen. It'll upload and it'll go to YouTube, and then y'all will be able to see it. I had a lot to say today in the Mobile. I mean, I had a ton to say in the Mobile, and people are asking me questions. Are these companies serious about what they're putting out for hardware? And I told them, yeah. And I asked the question, to everybody on the mobile chat, and I typed in a question to everybody, and you got to go over there and see what the question is, but that you have to check out over there. So, and I know and believe it or not, I know everybody's questioning the fact of why I'm doing the Mobile and why I'm doing, the one here in the house. How come I didn't connect the Mobile to the house? Well, the simple fact is this. I am running a test. I'm running a test to see if I turn and change some things in, the one on the Mobile compared to what I'm doing here on this one. I want to see if everybody's going to jump over there on the Mobile side and, start, subscribing and everything else. I want to see how that's going to go as well. From what I'm seeing is it's only got 5 subscribers right now, and I'm not really getting many subscribers here on this channel as well. That's kind of, telling me if I'm good, bad, or whatever, what I need to change, what has got everybody's interest going, why, what would they do to come to this channel, and what I need to do to make them come to this channel. Not make them, present them with, good material to where they come to the channel and everything else. I haven't done bad material, believe it or not. I'm doing everything I can in the power of my mind to bring it all to use. So that's my little 2 cents on this. But anyway, like I told you, I'm going to make this a short video. I'm not going to make it a long video, because there's always going to be another video coming up in the future with me testing out this new driver software, that Nvidia just put out. So do expect that to happen soon enough. It could happen in the next video. You never know. So you got to stick around for that. But anyway, that's my conclusion to all this. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds community. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do, helping support the channel, watching videos from beginning to end, and telling your friends to come on over here to subscribe, and they watch the videos from beginning to end. And help us get up to, the mark of being monetized. But anyway, until the next time, and I mean the next time in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.